Bazaar day. It's a bazaar day. Oh.
It's too much food.
It's a bazaar day.
Bag proper.
It's too hot. Yan.
Look at the broccoli.
Huh? The broccoli? Where? Oh yeah. Lambot sa inyong ingay nyo.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, garlic and chili lemon, madam.
Thank you.
Hello, madam.
Oh, this one seed. The seeds, na? Which one you want? Huh? Sis, they plant this one?
Not this one. Wait a minute.
I thought you can plant also this one.
No, you can plant it, but you have to check the, you know. Oh, this one. Sugar beet. This one I'm looking.
Oh, this one?
No.
No, this one?
Apa je?
Alin kaya ang mga ano, okra, cucumber. I think I like this one.
How much?
Look at this other quality of cucumber. Cucumber. Ito naman.
Bye.
100.
Chacha?
100 lang yan lahat ng ano pakiti. 100.
Pula wala, ye wala.
Ay, pula hai na.
No, ye.
Let's go. Wait no. Yan o, Pakistani.
Huh?
Pakistani.
What?
Pakistani carrots na.
Yeah, it's good one.
Boss, red chili. Boss, red chili.
Wow, red chili.
Good one.
ये तो नहीं है यार जान.
Soropi daw, soropi. You're putting your money in.
I'm putting in my wallet.
Tubo. 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 Unan. Oh, foam kayo dyan. Parang magtitinda tayo nito. Yan, yung dalawa oh. Namimili ng mga ano, branded bag yan.
This one is Landa, no? It's not new. It's a used one.
Landa.
No, we are just checking.
Go inside na.
You come inside now. There are a lot of stuff in it.
Yan, itong mga landa, itong ukay-ukay. Oh, who knows that I'm wearing ukay-ukay? I'm using ukay. Uy, sis, look at this. Mamalingki ka. Dalhin mo yun.
Look at the Paris one. Okay, look at this one. Oh, big pack. Oh, sorry.
Backpack, small one.
The small one, big pack for babies.
Oh.
No problem.
I told you. It's too hot. I feel hot. Ukay-ukay kami dito eh. Where's Uri? Saan pumunta si Corazon? Ayun, dyan pala. No? Doso daw, 200. 200. Dodoso daw, dodoso, 200. Let's go na. Tingnan mo yung mukha namin sa kaikot ng ukay-ukay. Hindi na maganda. Kasi, yun, namili ng mga ukay-ukay. Yung sa Ate Janet, ang dami ng bit-bit. Oh. Ayan, oh. Asan kayo dyan? Yung dalawa nandun. Ukay-ukay. Bonus na ang suot namin ay ukay-ukay. Wala, di ba? Oh, di ba? Ganun lang. Yung hindi mahilig ay stipot lang kayo. Yung mahilig nandito ngayon.
Sorope.
Nandito sa Sorope, tag-100 lang. Oh. Sino bang ano dyan?
Doso.
Oh, naka H&M kami. Saan ba yan? Oh, may pang gym na ako. 100 lang siya. Ha? Matuduri yun. Mga kasama ko. Ang dami nang napamili. Tignan mo yung dalawa. Ang dami nang pinamili. Tapos plus pa yung sa aking pinamili. Oh. Ayan. Ay, nagbasar. Pagpunta ng basar, walang dala-dala. Ngayon, pag-uwi, ang daming bit-bit. We are going home now. So, we can rest. Oh, tingnan mo yan. Ang daming mga dala-dalahang dalawang yan. Plus pa yung nabili ko. Oh. So, bye-bye na. Pauwi na kami. Bye! Nice shopping.